In this video, I will be going over my circuit for the EcoClean robot. This robot's job is to locate waste and clean up the waste within the enclosures. So I will be going over the components and the code and demonstrating how it works. So for my components, obviously I have a battery to power the robot, and I have 4 motors here for each of the wheels. There are actually 6 wheels on this robot, but the back 2 are connected by 1 motor because the back portion of the robot, as shown in my pictures, my 3D model, it's connected because it's mostly just to store any waste that the robot picks up. So here we have the front left wheel, then we have the left, middle, and back wheel, the right, middle, and back wheel, and the right front wheel. Right here, I kind of placed it here just for demonstration purposes, so it's a little bit more easy to see what's what. So this one is actually the motor that turns on the vacuum and the brush attachment to clean up the waste. And here I have the ultrasonic distance sensor, and this will help the robot determine where the waste is, and if it's close enough, it'll turn on the motor to start cleaning up the waste. So for my code, it's fairly simple. Over here I have the elements for the ultrasonic distance sensor, and I set this up to, once the robot starts, it uses this to measure the distance of objects in front of it, and if it locates the waste within 32 inches, and I chose 32 inches because when I measured my 3D model, the distance from the front where the vacuum is and the front of the ultrasonic distance sensor is about 31 inches. So if it's within 32 inches, the vacuum portion turns on to clean up the waste. So with this, it measures the distance, and again, if it's under 32 inches in front of it, it turns on the vacuum, and it delays, so it holds it on for, I only did about 8 seconds here just for demonstration purposes, and then it will turn it off, and it'll go ahead and measure it again, and then if it still locates waste there, it'll go through this process once again. If there is no waste in front of it, it will move forward. So for a demonstration purpose, so if I start my simulation, as of right now, you can see that where it's measuring at is at 58 inches. So since let me move this up so it's a little bit more easy to see. So sorry about that. Since it's not able to locate anything within the 32 inches, the wheels are moving forward. If I move it back here to about 27 inches and it measures, it stops the wheels and the vacuum turns on, as you can see right here. Let me just try and zoom in a little bit so you can see that. It turns on to clean up the waste, and then it stops, and then it will measure it again. And if it finds that it's still some waste there, it'll continue to clean up for the set amount of time that I have. Now it stopped again, so let's say we scan and we're not able to locate anything within the 32 inches, so it will start moving forward. So that's a basic overview of my robot. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.